How to use Blender for 2D animation, grease pencil. First of all, open Blender and switch to the 2D animation workspace from the splash screen or by selecting it from the plus icon, and under animation, you will find it. This gives you a dedicated layout for 2D work using the grease pencil tool. Next, select the default grease pencil object in the timeline and use the draw tool from the left toolbar. You can change brush types, thickness, and color in the top panel. Begin sketching your frames directly on the canvas. Now, go to the timeline at the bottom, move the playhead to frame 10 or 20, then start drawing again. Each time you draw on a new frame, it creates a keyframe automatically. You can play back your drawing frame by frame to see the animation in motion. Then, to animate properties like position or rotation, switch to the top sheet or graph editor. You can add keyframes to control movements or effects beyond just drawing, giving you a mix of frame by frame and timeline based animation. Finally, when you are done animating, go to the render tab, choose your output settings, and export your animation as a video or image sequence. Make sure you set the correct file format and frame rate before rendering. And that's it. Now you know how to use Blender for 2D animation, grease pencil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.